Hi, my name's Sally Hurst and I thought it would be an ideal opportunity to take you on a studio. So here we go, this is my studio in the heart of Norwich. So what have we got? Oh, I've got some lovely new very white panels that I'm going to be working on over the next couple of weeks. This is my Colombo trolley where I have all my brushes and all my silicone things. Next to that is a mark making trolley with fluids, inks and pens and pencils, the very necessary tea making zone, or coffee if you prefer, okay, and then some banks of storage with a counter that I mostly use when I'm inking up for printmaking. I'm really proud of these, so I'm going to show this off. Okay, so as you can see, it all looks like doors, but it's not. If I pull this handle, and step back, it's storage on a trolley. Look at all that stuff. That's all my tools, framing tools, hand tools, drills, and other such stuff, and it all stacks and rolls underneath my counter, and I've got a couple of those, which is really nice. And then coming around here, so I've got two windows, need a bit of a clean, and it leads on to, you can't see very well, there's a nice park at the back. Sometimes I can hear the kids playing, which is nice. And then behind all these curtains is all the stuff, okay. It's like that letting you into my wardrobe. Basically it's paper, panels, paints, everything you could possibly think of in order to not only make art but also to run workshops. Okay, so when I run workshops in here, I've got extra tables. I take about 6. There's plenty of space, but I have to say I'm quite enjoying having the space to myself for a little while. First workshop hopefully will be in the middle of August, and then over this side is my etching press, and we're back to my front door. It's been nice to show you around. I didn't show you my filming corner. The bit next to those big white panels that are staring at me, I need to get on with them. This is where I'm doing any filming. My laptop goes on this trolley. That's my microphone, lights, another camera, and when you see my hands, that's where I'm doing the business, okay, which I'm really enjoying. So yes, these 3 guys, I've no idea. I need to start laying some layers down on those. This one, if you remember, was the one I started weeks ago and simply haven't had time to get back to, but I want to put some more layers on that. So there you are, okay? That is my studio, this is my space. In many ways I spend more time here often than in my flat, and in many ways I love it more because this is all about me and what I do and all that stuff, okay? So I'm going to be planning some additional workshops, online workshops, in the next couple of weeks. I'll be announcing some things, but I've just done a blog post. If you want some input in terms of what you might like, okay, then head over to that blog post, read the blog post and put some comments on it, okay? The website address is here. Take care. See you soon. Bye.